What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Caleb. This is Foxcast Media, and basically anything cool, you'll see it right here. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. If it's your first time here, I promise I'll always have something you like. But gotta handle something today, and didn't want to do this one either, but I gotta do it just based on the comments and some of the feedback that I've been getting, and just some of the stuff I've been seeing in general across social media. So I wanted to tackle this and just kind of give you my take for whatever it's worth, maybe zero, and call it a day. So that's what we're gonna do. So recently, as the modular swapped Fox has kind of taken wings, mostly due to the Coyote, I've started to see a lot of division between the Pushrod guys and the modular guys. And I touched on this a little bit in the LS swaps and Coyote hate video I did a while back. Go check that out. But I'm seeing like this division within the ranks between the Pushrod guys and the modular guys, and it kind of, to me, just seems stupid. I mean, I understand the purists that, you know, the old school guys that love their pushrods. I also understand the modular guys that, you know, they think that's the future and that's, you know, the only way to make power. It's technologically advanced, all of that. And all of those things are true, as, you know, including that, you know, pushrod motors tend to be easier to work on. You've got more room in the engine bay, stuff like that. I get all that, and that's all fine. But that's not really my argument today. But I'm not even going to just stand here and give you my opinion. I've got two examples. So my first example is Eric Huel, his black notch. And this thing is just pure sex on wheels. Eric, I hope you're watching, because I'm a fan, brother. I'm really a fan. But this thing is ridiculous. Terminator swapped, Whipple. I mean, what else do I need to say? Let's just put your feet up and just watch this thing. And sexy. Mod swapped. Badass. Okay. Now, pushrod guys. Because I'm both. I'm both. As long as it's forward powered, I don't care. I don't care what's under the hood. Put a 2.3 turbo on there. The next one is Rob's YSI blown. Small block Ford notch. And he sent me this video of a true rolling burnout. So let's just kind of see this true rolling burnout real quick and go. Damn, that thing's hot. And you're probably wondering, well, what's under the hood? Do we get to check it out? Can we see what makes this monster do its thing? And the answer is, are you kidding me? You know how I roll? Check it out. cards needed. It's freaking ridiculous. So, you're probably asking me, Caleb, what's the point of all this? This is supposed to be a modular versus pushrod video. It's not. The point that I am trying to make is build your car the way you want to. You can argue back and forth all day long between is a pushrod motor better, is a modular motor better, or this one will handle more power, well this one you'll make more power on boost, this one's easier to work on, this one has more room, this one is the future, all this other garbage. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. They both make power, they've both been kicking ass for years on the track and the street. They're all proven combinations. There's a ton of parts out there for either one of them. So my point in a nutshell is it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Build a badass Fox Pod. Build a badass Mustang. Build a badass Lightning. Put whatever you want in there, whatever you're comfortable with. Your skills as far as working on the car and whatever fits your budget. Because here's the thing. If you're on a tight budget, a little 306 with some Junkyard Explorer heads, a mild cam, and some nitrous will go into the 11s without breaking a sweat. So you don't have to spend $1 million. And if you have an unlimited budget and you've got a whole ton of mechanical skill and you want to build a full bore Coyote or Terminator or whatever you want to do, then do it. But the point of the matter is do whatever you want. It doesn't matter. If you're like me, you're going to have both. Why not? Best of both worlds. So yeah, I will be building a very nasty little small block here for too long. So that's the point. Build what you want, and you know what? It's okay to stick within a budget, and it's okay that you don't have mass mechanical ability, and you don't do mechanic work for a living. I don't do mechanic work for a living. I don't. I am not a mechanic. I am not a fabricator. I am not a paint and body guy. I know my way around a car very well, but I'm not a seasoned mechanic. So it's okay that you have budget limitations. It's okay that you have skill limitations. Don't let that stuff keep you. So that is pretty much where I'm at today, guys. The modular versus pushrod thing. I'm putting it to rest right now because you know where I stand on it. If you want to go argue about it, go argue about it. Do what you want to. I don't care. But that's where I stand. Do whatever you want. Just build a badass car. Go enjoy it. Race it. Show it. Autocross. Whatever your thing is. Have fun with it. That's the point of spending all this money and all this time building cars. So I'm done with this one. So in the meantime, if you like this upload, please give me a big thumbs up. If you think I'm an asshole, then I don't care. No, I'm just kidding. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll be back with you again here shortly with God knows what else. Oh, no. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'm going to have your ride. So make sure you check out tomorrow to see if your ride made it, and later.